Well, let me get started and I'll call you back. All right, bye. You know, I've been reading this book called Wisdom, Don't Live Without It. It's a big word, it's an old word, and you know, I try to live my life today with wisdom and understanding. When I make my decisions, when I think about things, when I talk to people, it's needed. Oh no, Regimo. This is Regimo. Please, you have to excuse him. He might be lacking in wisdom, which is what we're talking about today.
Hey, Wronghand talking about wisdom. He don't know anything about wisdom. I know about wisdom. Come talk to me about wisdom. Just, well, don't listen to him, whatever you do.
Well, you know, Regimo said I don't know anything about wisdom. Well, he might be right. But this book has something to say about it. In James 1:5, it says, if any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives to all liberally and without reproach, and it will be given to him. Well, we'll see you next time.
Don't listen to Reverend Wronghand. He don't know nothing.